Greetings and welcome to another episode of SuperCharged PowerPoint with Dr. Chang. In today's episode, we are going to explore a nifty feature called screen recording. The screen recording tool allows pre-recording the screen to create a video that can be embedded in your PowerPoint presentation. This is useful for creating a step-by-step walkthrough of what you have been doing in the computer without having to rely on an external recording tool. To access the tool, click on the recording menu and click on Screen Recording. Select the area that you want to use for the screen recording and press Record button to start the session. Do any action as you see fit. When you are done, press the Windows Shift and Q button to quit the session and save the video to your PowerPoint presentation. Notice that the video is now saved and embedded in the presentation file. By right-clicking on the video, there are a few editing options that are displayed above the video that can be used. You can change the style of the video. You can trim the video by changing when it should start or end. And you can change how the video would play in your PowerPoint presentation. If you like the video that you recorded, you can also choose to save the video by right-clicking on the video, Save Media As, and choose the folder and file name where you want your video to be saved. So this concludes another episode of SuperCharged PowerPoint with Dr. Chang. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. If you have any additional questions regarding PowerPoint, please don't forget to leave a comment in the video. Thank you for your time and see you in a future episode of SuperCharged PowerPoint with Dr. Chang.